Come on, move it! Guys! Hey yo, welcome on, what's up? This is Xavier, welcome to the channel. We're gonna be watching Andor episode 10. We're almost at the end. It's just been so good. And I'm not gonna waste a lot of time here, I'm just gonna get right into it very quickly. We're seeing some madness happening in the prison. People are dying. Who would have died? That's true. That they killed him. There was a revolt on level 2 because they made a mistake. They released somebody and put him back on a different level, and people found out. Wow. Mothma's in trouble with the money. She's got to bring someone save her folk. Vel is her cousin, and so there's a family connection there. Miro is very efficient. She's using psychological torture to get information, and it's going well for her. She knows what she's doing. She's very competent. So congrats to her on that. And we got Kino around. He's into it. He's on board. Alright, and this says a rare opportunity opens and the time for Cassian and his fellow inmates to act is now. So we're gonna see if the I don't know if the escape is gonna happen now, but that's what they're suggesting. So we're gonna see what happens and let's get into it. R.I.P. Olaf.
They don't have enough guards, and they know it. They're afraid. Right now, they're afraid.
Afraid? Afraid of what?
They just killed 100 men to keep them quiet. What would you call that?
I call that power.
Power doesn't panic. 5,000 men are about to find out they're never living here alive. Don't you think that worries them upstairs?
It should. It very much should.
I'd rather die trying to take them down than die giving them what they want. Won't have a better chance.
Cassian is right.
The doctor told us what happened down on 2.
It's true, isn't it? They fried the whole bridge.
Yes.
Worse than that. Why? He said they'd made a mistake and sent back a man who'd just been released. They fried 2 ships to keep it quiet.
No one is getting out!
Oh. Whew.
It's true. The rumors are true. They're not letting us go. Ever.
Correct.
We're gonna die here.
Yep.
Or in the next place. So let's get our heads back in our cells and start figuring this out.
Oh, huh? We should do what we normally do. Unidentified ship, dead pilot. We'd want to take a look, wouldn't we? Let's assume Krieger's watching. The least suspicious thing that we could do would be to take an interest.
That is exactly what we will do.
We are done with counting shifts. There is only then and now. There is only one way out. Play it how you want. But I'm gonna assume I'm already dead and take it from there. There's no sense in warning the night shift. They'll hear about it one way or another soon enough. Let's make it look good.
I love it. Love it. That's the face of a determined man.
I was here.
Who's that?
I know it's tasteless and cliche, but one of the indulgences of great wealth is freedom from other people's opinions.
Love that for you.
Yes. We're exploring alternative financing arrangements for our foundation.
What's unfortunate is that people such as yourself, those with immaculate reputations, sometimes feel that by taking advantage of the opportunity, they're somehow tarnished. The money's yours. Family wealth is a thing to be proud of, and you ought to be able to move it as you like with your privacy intact. The Empire's new regulations, made without Senate consultation, I might add, are as cumbersome as they are avoidable. They've made a game of it, and we play.
He likes the challenge.
Oh,
What?
money means very little to me at this point.
He wants a favor?
Please take no offense.
'Cause I don't want to see you die. 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 'Cause I don't want to see you
I'd prefer not to owe any favors. I'd feel far more comfortable paying you for your trouble.
A drop of discomfort may be the price of doing business.
Of course.
I have a 14-year-old son. I'd like to bring him with me.
Oh, a marriage?
You can't be serious.
I'm not asking for betrothal.
Then what are we talking about?
Yeah, what?
Introduction. The daughter's 13. She'll soon come of age. Two young people, attractive and privileged Chandrillan citizens.
What makes you think I approve of that tradition?
Our position sometimes makes decisions for us, don't you find, Senator? Neither of us have lived a life that encourages non-conformity.
Is that your only offer?
Sounds like it.
It's a lot to think about.
I'm not thinking about it.
Oh, of course you are. You are thinking about it.
That's the first untrue thing you've said. It's been a pleasure.
Oh, that was a good face.
Surprised you waited this long.
Don't know if it's a trap.
Oh, if it's a trap, we've already lost.
Oh, that's a good attitude to have.
One way out. Come on! Keep it moving! Keep it moving!
Hurry up, Cassian.
Maybe once you calm down. How?
I thought you were dead already.
Yeah, bro, chill. Calm yourself. The plan is afoot. Hurry, hurry, hurry!
On program.
What's gonna happen?
What did you say to me?
I said nothing.
I mean, if you want to say something, you should say it now.
You start with them! Alright! You lot! Back up, back!
Yeah. Suck yourself. Oh, poor guy.
Attack!
We have a situation on 5-2D. Come on!
Move, 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 move! Hurry, hurry!
One way out!
Come on! Move it! Guys!
Try the whole level. Make the epicenter 5-2.
Too late. There's nobody there.
You shouldn't be here.
No, they shouldn't.
Turn it off.
Excuse me?
Turn it off!
That could mean so many things.
Turn it off. You know what it means.
Caught the power.
So hydro. Once we turn it off, it takes months to get it back up and running.
Hey, bro. You heard what he said. Wrong on move and you're dead. Watch it.
Tell him what to do. It has to be you. Come on, Kino. You do this every day. Tell him what to do.
My name is Kilo Loy. I'm the day shift manager on level 5. I'm speaking to you from the command center on level 8. We are at this moment control of the facility. Wherever you are, right now, get up. Stop the work. Get out of your cells. Take charge and start climbing. They don't have enough guards, and they know it. If we wait until they figure that out, it'll be too late. We will never have a better chance than this. And I would rather die trying to take them down than giving them what they want.
Yes.
We know they fried 100 men on level 2. We know that they are making up our sentences as we go along. We know that no one outside here knows what's happening. There is one way out. Right now. The building is ours. There are 5,000 of us. If we can fight half as hard as we've been working, we will be home in no time. One way out. One way out.
Yo, that's not a good place to drop. You might get run over.
Can't swim.
Damn. He can't swim. That sucks for him, really. Oh, this is the person who wanted to meet, and he was just in the place.
Is that meant to scare me?
Oh, it's been a year since we've had a chance to catch up. You've become a father. It's not worth mentioning.
It's not fair.
Nothing is fair.
Knowing. Watching me. Do you ever think how it might feel from my side?
No.
Why is this good?
Because she's wasting time.
What?
You had nothing to do with Aldani.
Well, almost nothing. We were invited but declined. They got lucky. We don't build on luck.
Ah, smart.
Krieger attacks. They'll be waiting.
And if he doesn't, they'll know something's amiss. I'm doing this for you as much as anything.
Yeah, that makes sense, unfortunately.
I'm giving you Dead Ramiro. I'm giving you Spellhouse. I'm warning you about Ferrix. I'm honoring my vow.
But he wants out.
Gather a big basket of goodies for me as a farewell gift?
Yeah, pretty much.
Krieger's men will be dying to make sure she has a father. You're trapped, Lonnie.
And what do you sacrifice?
Calm, kindness, kinship, love. I've given up all chance at inner peace. I made my mind a sunless space. I share my dreams with ghosts. I wake up every day to an equation I wrote 15 years ago from which there's only one conclusion. I'm damned for what I do. What is my sacrifice? I'm condemned to use the tools of my enemy to defeat them. I burn my decency for someone else's future. I burn my life to make a sunrise that I know I'll never see. Now, the ego that started this fight will never have a mirror or an audience or the light of gratitude.
No, you're right.
What do I sacrifice?
Everything.
Everything!
Yeah.
Just stay with me, Lonnie. I need all the heroes I can get.
I didn't think about that. How are they gonna get off planet? Okay. Alright, so that was episode 10 of Andor. And this episode was basically we got the thing with Mothma and Davo. the thing with Miro and Luthen and the guy Lonnie. Also Cassian in the prison. Most of this episode was focused on the prison. Yeah. So, but before I got to the prison, let me just state what happened in other places. So, we had the incident with Mothma and Davo, where he has a proposal for what will get her the money, and it's for an introduction between his son and her daughter, and she's resistant to that, but she might have to give in, and so she is kind of trapped, but it's her one way out. Oh, that's the title of the episode, One Way Out. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Lonnie. So the ISB has enacted the plan to the rebel ship. There is being collected, and ISB is working that plan, and so Antus Krieger's men are in trouble for this plan they have to do this raid on Spellhouse. And Lonnie meets with Luthen, and he's given Luthen this bunch of information about Miro, about Spellhouse, about Krieger, about the ship, about the trying to link Aldani to Cassian, and Cassian Andor stolen Imperial stuff, and Luthen wisely tells him, yo, we had nothing to do with Aldani, so just chill, that was on us. And yeah, so Luthen, Lonnie has a daughter, and so he's giving all the information to try and get out. He wants out. Luthen's like, no bro, you're in for life. You're in until you die, or until the rebellion is crushed. You're in. We trained you to join. We trained you. We gave you information to rise up the ranks. We've sacrificed people. We sacrificed lives for you to become a higher ranking officer. We can't lose you. You're there until we no longer have use for you, until you die or something, you know? And he asks Luthen, what has he sacrificed? And I gotta say, Skarsgård. Yeah, I was gonna say something profound, but there's Skarsgård. That man can act. He showed it. He was like, I was real when he's going on. I was saying, he's gonna say, what did he sacrifice? He sacrificed everything. Yeah, because that's basically what he's saying. He sacrificed everything except his life, and he's basically sacrificed that because he's basically just for the rebellion now. He's given a vow, and all he's living for is the rebellion, and he may not even die a hero. All he's doing is as a middleman for the heroes. That's his service. To be a go-between. That won't get any love. That won't get him any medals. And if he was to get a medal, he will be dead when he gets it. And so he will not be getting a medal, because then that's not somebody you would Super Middle too, because he's not like taking on a Star Destroyer or doing anything like Luke or Leia or anything like that. So, damn. Same for Lonnie. Yeah. Their positions are kind of rough. Yeah, Cinta is still on Ferrix. He's just hanging around. I saw some person. I don't know if he was watching the or something, but yeah, so there's more to come for that. Right, but the majority of this episode is about one way out. So there's no way out for. Oh yeah, there is only one way out. Death for those two, for Lonnie and for Luthen. Death is the only way they have out. For Cassian and Kino, the one way out was to they are either dead or they are dead. The only way out was to take over the building and free everybody. And they did that. That was their one way out. That was well executed. They did it well. They lost people along the way, but that's gonna happen in the prison break. Not everybody's gonna survive. The thing is, you want like over 90% of everybody survives. You want it to be a resounding win, and it was. They used their force, their numbers to good effect. Well executed plan. Yeah, like I said. But Kino can't swim. So there is no way out for him. Damn. Wow. Can you believe that? All that work and but I'm sure I think he'll find a way to escape too. But then there was at the end there was like Cassian and one of his mates. They're trying to escape and I was wondering, I didn't think about it. Oh, are they gonna get off the planet? I didn't think about that. Oh boy, but yeah, so how are they gonna get off the planet? I don't know. I didn't think about that part, did they? But you know, I get it. The goal was to escape. The goal was either die escaping or you die as a prisoner. They kill 100 people. They're gonna kill us again. So might as well chance it. So they did that. That was their way out. They took it. Consequences be damned. They'll figure it out along the way. Yeah. Sorry, I'm just thinking about it. Kind of sits with you. And that's how you know that it was good. That it sits with you after. It's not sitting with you in a way you're like, you're on what was that? You're thinking about what's like, there's a layers to this. You can't just think about it like immediately. It'll come to you later. The layers. You can just like I'm just speaking a while ago, and you can see I'm rapping stuff about the different connections, about the way out and everything, about people being trapped. Some way out is the dead or dead. But then there is the way out. Yeah. From Mothma to Cassian to Lonnie. They only have their one way, their one solution. It's death, it's Davo, it's a prison escape. But yeah. I like how the episode titles speak to a theme, and you know, me gusta. I like it. Yeah. So I'm just gonna end it here. Those are my thoughts. Goodbye.